Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm making a beautiful painting of a flower with alcohol inks, a brush and glitter and some beads and gold leaf and all good things. So let's get started with the painting. I will show you step by step. So first I am using inexpensive photo paper that we get in stationery stores. One side of the paper is glossy and the other side is not glossy. So for the alcohol inks, always make sure to use the side that is not glossy. So that's very important. So let's get started on the other side. First I'm using some glue. You can use any glue, any clear glue that you have. Just apply a little bit. This is the supposed to be the center of the flower. And once you apply the glue, then let's add some gold leaf flakes that I got from the art store. Just a sprinkle a little bit on the glue. This is a mix of different types of gold leaf that I got from the store. Some are copper color and some are the real gold color. So I'm just applying onto the glue. Then adding some beads in between just to get the texture for the center of the flower. I'm using very tiny beads. You could use any sorts of beads that you have on hand. I used clear, transparent, tiny beads for this painting. And make sure you stick it in there too. And just gently press with your finger. Then make sure to shake it off to remove the excess particles. Then I am applying again one more layer of glue at the bottom. Then adding some mixed glitter that I got from the art store. This again, you can use any glitter that you have. Whatever you like the best, you can just add it in there. And gently press it on the glue. And shake it off the excess. See, it's already looking so pretty. And now is the fun part. Let's do the alcohol ink part. So first I'm diluting a little bit of indigo with alcohol because we don't want concentrated colors for the flower. It should be transparent flower. So that's why I'm mixing it with a little alcohol before I add it in. I use 91% isopropyl alcohol for this. And gently apply few dots on the flower. So I'm applying little dots of diluted blue or indigo actually. Then I add alcohol and I'm trying to blow this with a hand pump, but I think it's not working properly, so I might use a brush to draw the petals since this is not working properly. And then after this, drawing this color, I'll use another color, pink, which I will be using. So I'll let you watch this video and I'll stop talking. So I hope you will enjoy my lesson, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel because I post videos almost every single day. And thank you for watching. Yeah, actually when you see, when I apply alcohol inks over the gold leaf, it is turning black, but it's okay I think because the center of the flower is always dark anyways, so this texture will add some depth to the painting, and I'm okay with the gold leaf getting black. But if you don't want that to happen, I would suggest you apply the gold leaf after you paint the flower. I think that's the best way to do it. That is another way to do it. So just wanted to let you know. Once you finish the painting and it's completely dry, later on you can apply a clear acrylic spray. It's like a varnish just that you can just spray all over the painting, so the shine will be preserved and the gold leaf and the glitter, everything will be sealed. So that is the best way to protect this painting.